Alright guys, here is my Clone Trooper helmet. I ordered it from Imperial Surplus. I'll probably put that down in the description. As you can see right here, it says Kev's. Kevin is the guy who runs Imperial Surplus, so he just writes his name on there. It's Kev's Season 4 Grunt helmet. I'm going to modify this into an ARC Trooper 5's helmet. I'm probably not going to do whole videos on how I'm putting this together. Kevin already has some of those. He has a YouTube page for Imperial Surplus that tells you how to cut this out and put the magnets in there. I'll show you in a bit. There's little spots right here. You see the little dot for where the magnet goes. And there's a matching one on the other side. Little dot right there. Right there it is. So basically, this is all extra. I gotta cut all this out, make this mate up and match up with this. And because I am making an ARC Trooper, I do have some extra pieces that I ordered from them. So here is your little rangefinder that the ARC Troopers have, kind of like Boba Fett, that'll go up right there. So I gotta put that together, modify the helmet because it has the ridges on it, so I'm gonna have to cut and sand all those off in order to put this block on there for it to fit flush. So I'm gonna have to make that fit, so that's a modification I'm gonna have to do. But you can see it comes with the visor piece, so that I'll have to trim that, but that covers all the way from the bottom to the top, so we're golden there. He gives you that. And then you get this little, that's a big strip of Velcro, that's what holds the back on. These are your little filters, they go right in here. And then the magnets are in there. You can see the magnets right there. There's your 4 magnets for 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side. And then you have some stickers in there, which are your vent holes that go right here. This little piece of Velcro goes, like I said, there's videos on Imperial Surplus. There's links on the website to the YouTube channel. You go to the YouTube channel, this basically just goes on the inside there and on the bottom there, so that this just flips up. And then the magnets hook it back onto the bottom. So, and I'll show you that when I get it all done and put together. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube already of different ways different people paint them up. I might do a few little ones or throw just like some here's my progress or whatever on it, but I don't think I'm going to show step by step how I'm going to do it. I know I'm going to do some research. I'm going to find, I want to cut out all these holes so I have a little bit more airflow and a little bit vent. I'm going to put some black mesh behind there because these are gray and these are black. Instead of just going alternating gray, black, I think I'm going to get some mesh in there. I'm going to do the same thing down here. I think I'm going to cut this out and put some gray mesh in there, and same thing with the air vents. I'm going to paint those air vents that they give you up, and then I'm going to drill holes all the way through there so that I have more airflow into the front of my helmet. I'm going to get a couple fans and put in there too and stuff, and then I'll just cover it up with mesh, and it'll actually, hopefully the look I'm going for is more of an actual realistic, you know, those are supposed to be filters and vents. So we will see, but I will keep you posted. More to come. Alright guys, don't forget to click subscribe and check out some of the other videos. I have the DC-17 blasters as well as more to come on the helmet. So watch some of the other videos, click subscribe, and see you next time.